It is also mixed with all kinds of nuts and seeds and often peanut butter or even like oats or honey or all kinds. You can even make suet at home.
Yeah. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, it's Wednesday, Wildlife Wednesday around here, and it's day 156 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us. And this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different projects around our garden while we're still under quarantine.
And we're happy you're here today, you guys. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and hit the bell next to it, and you'll get notified as soon as we post our daily videos.
So guys, today is Wildlife Wednesday, and today we're talking to you about bird suet.
What the heck is bird suet?
What is bird suet? So we're gonna tell you about that today.
We have a lot of bird suet hanging around our yard, and it does attract all kinds of birds. Unfortunately, the squirrels love the suet as well, and it is very hard to keep them out of it. We've actually witnessed them taking an entire suet cake out and running across the yard with it.
Yeah, and trying to jump on trees and not making it and falling down and kind of shaking it off. It's funny.
It is kind of funny, but the birds get to it. The woodpeckers love it, the chickadees, the juncos, all kinds of finches, and I mean, you can really attract a huge range of wildlife.
So guys, here are two examples of the suet that we use in our garden, and they're pretty self-explanatory, but the birds love these.
I love this stuff. You guys, we usually buy this on bulk on Amazon or wherever we can find it on sale. We've tried all kinds of brands, and they love this CNS brand. And we did, again, get this on Amazon. We'll link it down below.
Yeah, great thing about CNS is it's in Iowa, so it's made in the USA, and so that's always a plus. We don't want to bring things into our garden that are made from either foreign places or just untrustworthy manufacturers. So we really trust CNS.
This is a woodpecker version of suet, and basically we'll show you the rest in a minute, but it looks like this. They come in these little plastic containers.
Yep, they come in closed up bricks. They come in contained bricks.
Or cakes.
Or cakes.
Yeah.
They're worded differently by different people, but basically you can see how they come. They're great. You pull off the front here and the wrap, and you just place it out in your garden in different areas. We're going to show you that in a minute. Word to the wise, when you're handling any of this suet, wear gloves.
Yeah.
It can get really messy and kind of gross.
Well, because of the reason that the main ingredient, you could say, I guess, in both of these suet cakes or any kind of suet, it's rendered beef fat. So it is something that people do maybe bake with or whatnot. So we don't want to knock anybody, but it's kind of gross.
Yep, no judgment, but just to handle it, it's not much fun for us anyway.
So yeah, we both prefer gloves, but it is also mixed with all kinds of nuts and seeds and often peanut butter or even like oats or honey or all kinds. You can even make suet at home.
Yeah, you can make your own. There's a lot of different recipes out there.
So a lot of companies advertise what's called a no melt suet. And if you've ever used suet before and you handle it, it does get really drippy and gooey sometimes when it gets too warm. So it's hard to it's like soft, you know, and it kind of just falls apart, and you try to put it in the little cage or whatever, and half of it falls on the ground.
Yep.
So they advertise a no melt suet, which in our experience, this does actually stay together very well under whatever temperature.
Yeah, we've had it out over this summer, and we've had temperatures almost 100 degrees some days, and it just stays right where it's at. It doesn't slough off or make a mess.
We actually use suet all year. This is something that we like to use through the winter months as well, because it does give them a little source of energy and those healthy fats and whatnot that they need. So there's all kinds of brands. There's all kinds of different suets. They sell them in different flavors, if you want to call it that. This is just a peanut blend, and again, this is a woodpecker blend that has a lot more seeds and nuts in it.
I think one of the other ones we've used a lot is something like berry, like wild berry or something.
Yeah, they like that one.
Yeah.
The squirrels fight over all of these. They love them.
Okay, guys, we're getting official here. We're going to put some gloves on because
again, this is optional, but
it saves you from having to really wash your hands later. And
yeah, and I just usually wash my gloves off and reuse them several times. So I usually just grab some mulch or some kind of wood from around the yard just to open these, because that's handier.
Yeah.
Basically just pop them out.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Usually these containers are recyclable as well, so it's just check on the back to see what number they are. All kinds of different feeders available for suet, but we love the kind that just have, like, it's a bird seed feeder, and then they have suet cages on the ends.
Yep.
You just stick it right in there like that.
Yep. Yeah, having the suet in one feeder with seed also on it, it really draws a lot of different birds to it, and it's fun to watch.
And that's a great tip, actually, Sean. Good thinking. Because like, if you've never hung suet in your yard before and you want to attract birds with suet, you need to position the suet near other seed. I mean, that's kind of just draw them in that way.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So.
And this feeder does that.
Okay, you guys. So here's a different type of cage that we have, and you can see it just hangs from a limb or a branch. And basically, you just pop the top open and just
look
throw
at that.
the little cake in there.
Oh, that's
close
neat.
It up.
Oh, wow.
Now you will see our squirrels hang from the tree and eat out of this, but the birds usually get to it first. So it's kind of a free-for-all over here. So this suet cake's a little bit stickier or gooier. So basically just pop it in there, close it up, and wait for them to show up.
There you go. Yeah. Cool.
And they will show up. We've counted, I've been out here before filling these, and within 5 minutes, birds are already here. So they will show up very fast, hopefully. Okay, you guys, that is bird suet in a nutshell. And yeah, we really hope that was helpful for you if you've been wondering what suet is and how to like put it out in your garden, especially for the first time. There's all different kinds of feeders, different sizes, shapes. It just depends on what you like.
Yep. And what kind of birds you want to attract. With that, guys, leave your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with our next project, so come on back to see what we're up to, and have a great day ahead.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.